my hair with, as usual, 100% virgin coconut oil, olive oil, creamy aloe shampoo. So this is what I use. Design Essentials Bamboo in Silk. A little bit of the AphoGee Keratin Restructurizer. Just a little bit. This is the secret. Silk press. It's about this much. I don't know if the silk press is supposed to be light, so you're not supposed to apply too much. Next step is blow drying. Comb through that. You can just shove it in like that. I'm very impressed. Do you see this? Do you remember when my hair used to be this long? I'll insert it right here. And then I cut my hair here. Now it's back to this length. The Silk Essentials again. My hands, hold my hair through again to distribute the product. Oh, my hair feels so dirty. So I'm gonna bring it down to 420. So I'm gonna work with this section first. And I'm gonna go through my roots like several times before I do the chase. Nice and slowly. But guys, do you see this? Do you see this? I'm going to trim 1/4 of an inch off my hair. This much. I cut about this much. And now I'm dusting, pretty much searching for knots, split ends, and fried ends, and cutting them off.